This video serves as your easy guide to understanding how to back up messages on Google Drive and, more importantly, how to view SMS backup on Google Drive. Now, let's embark on this journey, and you'll discover various methods to elucidate these issues. Part 1. Does Google back up SMS text messages? Open Phone Settings, find Google, tap Add Account to add a Google account, locate Backup, enable Backup to Google Drive. Enter your Google account, press OK to back up Android data. Part 2. How to view SMS backup on Google Drive directly. Entire backup. Open Google Drive on your smartphone or go to Drive, Google.com. On the site, select the storage option. Locate and click on the Backups icon from the storage options to view all your backed up content. Part 3. How to restore SMS from Google Backup via SMS Backup and Restore. Do you want to view specific text messages in Google Drive Backup? Just utilize SMS Backup and Restore to retrieve and review your desired messages from the Google Drive Backup. Part 4. How to restore SMS messages from Google Backup by factory reset. In Phone Settings, go to Reset Options. Choose Erase All Data. Enter the password. After restart, revisit Settings, go to Backup and Reset. Select Google. Log in. Press Sync. Choose Data to restore from Google Drive Backup. Bonus: how to recover deleted SMS on Android without Google Drive Backup. What if you failed to back up your Android SMS to Google Drive before losing them? If you're urgently seeking a solution to this query, try the powerful Mobican Doctor for Android, Win, and Mac.